Hey there, fellow trailblazers. It's your host, Echo, revving up another episode on the Bitcoin Educational Waves podcast. Prepare to shift gears with today's thrilling topic, Bitcoin Bonanza. Bye-bye banks, hello highway of hyper-freedom. Dive into the revolution where financial liberation awaits at every turn. No detours, no speed limits. Let's explore this virtual realm of untethered prosperity together. Stay tuned. Imagine cruising down the financial expressway of tomorrow. No red lights, no toll booths, just you and your wealth flowing freely. Welcome to Bitcoin, the digital maverick that's flipped the script on money as we know it. Think about it. No more waiting for bank approvals or paying hefty fees just to access your own cash. Bitcoin is like having a VIP pass to a club where everyone's invited and no one's checking your ID at the door. With Bitcoin, it doesn't matter who you are or where you're from. All you need is an internet connection to join this party. Now you might be wondering, is this for real? Oh, it's as real as it gets. Every time you send a bit of Bitcoin, a slice of digital freedom zips across the globe, making the world a bit smaller and your opportunities a lot bigger. It's a game changer that's reshaping how we think about and use money. Instead of being locked in a vault, your digital cash is out there clinching deals, supporting causes, and floating through cyberspace under your command. No middlemen, no barriers, just pure economic empowerment humming along the supercharged lanes of the Bitcoin network. So what's the catch? There isn't one. It's all about seizing control of your financial destiny. Savvy folks are hopping on this ride towards a future where you call the shots, a future that's not a dream, but a reality unfurling before our eyes. Start your engines, and let's roll into this ultra-modern wealth chapter together with Bitcoin. Buckle up, we're in for an electrifying ride. Follow us in Nostr, X, Blue Sky, Threads, LinkedIn, Spotify, WhatsApp group, Telegram, and more coming. And there you have it, folks, the digital symphony of decentralization, playing a tune of freedom and opportunity on the grand stage of tomorrow. As we close out today's episode, let's keep that melody alive. Share this crescendo of innovation with others and let's resonate together. Remember, your support with a like, share, or comment helps our message soar. Join the conversation across Nostr, X, Blue Sky, Threads, LinkedIn, Spotify, WhatsApp group, Telegram, and more to come. As we part ways, channel the wisdom of WBTM voice. Be water, my friends. Flow with the currents of change, navigate the streams of progress, and may your journey be as boundless as the seas. Until next time, I'm Echo, your guide through the Bitcoin Odyssey. Keep tuning in and keep charting your course to financial sovereignty. Stay electric, stay empowered, and most importantly, stay connected. Over and out.